What's the meaning of J Balfour? J Balfour. J Balfour. J Balfour. J Balfour. J Balfour.
J Balfour refers to Arthur James Balfour, a British statesman who served as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom from 1902 to 1905. He is also known for his role in the Balfour Declaration of 1917, which declared British support for the establishment of a Jewish homeland in Palestine. Additionally, Balfour was an accomplished philosopher and author, and he made significant contributions to the field of metaphysics. Overall, Balfour was a prominent figure in British politics and intellectual circles during the late 19th and early 20th centuries.